For many years, the medical community believed that the therapeutic power of stem cells came from their ability to differentiate into different cell types. But around 2010, science entered a new chapter. Research confirmed that the true power of stem cells comes from a class of nanoscale vesicles they secrete, known as nanosome. Traditional cell-based treatments may carry concerns such as immune rejection or abnormal differentiation. Nanosome perfectly avoids these risks. Like precise intelligent chips, they enter damaged tissue environments and carry out targeted repair tasks. The core value of nanosome lies in their dual functions: deep cellular cleansing and powerful regeneration. First, nanosome can inhibit the mTOR signaling pathway and activate autophagy mechanism. In addition to replacing aging energy factories called mitochondria, it also removes deteriorated misfolded proteins and metabolic waste from cells. After this cleansing process, the stem cell factors carried by nanosome precisely activate the self-repair program of damaged cells. This clean first, regenerate next model helps neutralize chronic inflammation and allows the body to return to a younger and healthier state. Through nebulized inhalation, nanosome can directly reach the lungs and support the recovery of damaged lung tissue. This makes it an important approach for improving long COVID-19 sequelae. With its strong penetration ability, nanosome also have the potential to cross the blood-brain barrier, providing targeted repair support for neurodegenerative concerns and helping protect overall brain health. Our application extends to daily care. By integrating nanosome technology into toothpaste, we can provide deep repair support for periodontal disease, gum inflammation, and oral ulcers. Nanosome can penetrate gum tissue, help repair damaged mucosa and periodontal fibers, addressing oral diseases at their root. In skin applications, nanosome can be delivered through microneedling, which can activate collagen renewal, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and help reverse visible skin aging. In the field of hair care, nanosome can activate dormant hair follicles, bring powerful growth vitality to the scalp, and help restore thicker, fuller-looking hair. Through targeted injection, nanosome can deeply repair joint soft tissues, relieve pain caused by wear and degeneration. It also activates the human immune system, enhancing its ability to eliminate mutated cells. Combined with our exclusive nanoencapsulation technology, orally delivered nanosome can resist gastric acid damage. It can directly support heart function, liver detoxification, and kidney metabolism, achieving true whole-body organ renewal. Exosome technologies on the market are largely similar, with little real scientific breakthrough. So why are our effects stronger? Because we have added a core secret: long-acting stable stem cell factor. In ordinary exosome systems, stem cell factors are extremely fragile and quickly lose activity once they leave low-temperature conditions. With our exclusive nanosome patent, we significantly extend their active duration inside the body and enhance the repair effect by dozens of times. Our enhanced nanosome brings powerful repair to the body. At the same time, another peak technology, long-acting cellular fasting, pushes the repair effect to an even deeper level. This technology uses precise biological engineering to precisely remove one or two specific amino acid molecules from the body and simulate the signal of real fasting. In this way, it guides the body into a deep state of cellular autophagy. Traditional intermittent fasting, such as the 16-8 method, is difficult to fully activate autophagy. Research has shown that 16 hours of fasting is not enough to fully activate the autophagy process. Leading international medical journals, including the New England Journal of Medicine and Annals of Internal Medicine, have reported that effective autophagy requires fasting for more than 72 hours. However, long-term fasting is extremely risky for most people. It may cause hypoglycemia, electrolyte imbalance, and other health risks, and must be performed under medical supervision. Our core technology cleverly avoids these risks. Based on the principle of selective fasting, it targets abnormal cells while leaving normal cells unaffected. You can continue eating normally without the risks and side effects of prolonged fasting, making it suitable for a wider range of people. The U.S. Interventions Testing Program, one of the world's most authoritative institutions in longevity research, has pointed out that interventions capable of activating cellular autophagy are among the strongest known approaches for lifespan extension. In animal studies, the maximum lifespan extension can reach up to 30%, This further proves that our long-acting cellular fasting technology can trigger deeper and more durable autophagy, bringing greater longevity potential. This technology creates a dual synergistic effect, deep cleansing at the front line and repair in the background. The long-acting autophagy mechanism activates deep cellular cleansing. It helps clear various abnormal cells and substances, including senescent cells, fibrotic tissue, A-beta amyloid and tau proteins in the brain, fatty liver, liver fibrosis, cirrhosis, nodules, tumors, and cancer cells. At the same time, the repair mechanism activates the body's own stem cells, promotes tissue regeneration, and helps rebuild and repair the immune system. Long-acting autophagy also improves mitochondrial function and reduces RS, reactive oxygen-free radicals. This reduces oxidative stress damage at its source, slows telomere shortening, and promotes telomere lengthening, thereby delaying cellular aging. Through synchronized action, this technology reduces chronic inflammation, activates mitochondria, and comprehensively enhances physical vitality. It allows purification, repair, and anti-aging mechanisms to work at the same time. In this way, it truly reshapes the internal environment of the body and achieves deep, long-lasting rejuvenation. From microscopic nanosome to whole-body repair, our technology moves beyond the risks and side effects of traditional treatments. It allows you to safely prevent disease, reshape beauty, and restore vitality from within. Let long-acting stable stem cell factor, nanosome, and long-acting cellular fasting technology inject unlimited vitality into your life. And let cellular autophagy open the gateway to self-regeneration.